poke your head, it'll stop it.
No, it's only by the bottom where the buttons aren't.
Look at him loving up on Ben. Oh my gosh. Grumpy. You loving up on Ben?
Trying to.
Look at this, Carla.
He's a mammoth.
Can you get his full length in that? Probably not.
Only if I go like this.
Don't you poop on my chest. I'll be very upset with you. So you're playing with my butt, Mama. Hi, Goober. Hey. Hey, you. Yeah, it's Mama. Hi. Hi, bud. See, I love you now. I'm not in my cage. Huh. You love me now you're not locked up? Hey, bud. Isn't he gorgeous, Ben? Yep. I'd turn that fan on, but once it hit him, he'd freak out and somebody get bit, so. There's your buddy, Grump. He's searching everywhere. What? Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Well, hello. Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you. Hi, sweetie. That's the way it feeds me. I know who she is. Yeah. My lady it feeds you all the time. And cleans your poop. I'm the poop cleaner. It's a camera. See? It's a camera, silly. Hi, Grump. Oh, he's all... Gotta check everything out now. Well, hi. Hello there. Turn you around. Why are you back in your toe? Why aren't you out here on the ground roaming around? You goofy. Why aren't you outside? Hey there. Hi. You need to come out and finish using the bathroom, pal. Yeah. Whatever floats your boat, I reckon. Huh. Whatever you feel like doing. That's why you're out here, to do your thing, so do it. Hi. Back to Mama. Here we go. He doesn't stay away from me for very long. It's a camera. It's a camera. Look at you. In and out, up and down, back and forth. Always on the go. What are you doing? You want to come back out? Whee! We'll tip you right over. How's that? Want to come back out? I tipped your toad over for you. He's like, all that work, and she flips it over. I love spending time with my snakes. Here, let's do this. Uh-oh. Here we go. You're starting to huff a little bit. Swarm out here. Won't be out long. Once he starts huffing, I take him back in. No, this way. Come on. I want you to finish using the bathroom. Get out of the tote. Come on. Come on. I want you to go finish potty. Oh. There. Sorry. Hard to handle the camera and the big ass snake. There. Finish using the bathroom. You don't need to be back in there right now. No, you don't need to be back in there. Go finish potty. Go do your thing. On my lap, of course. You're a piece of work. You're a lap snake. You're a lap snake. Yeah, you are. Hear the birds? I can't tell what I'm filming. The sun's so bright out here. But I know I'm pointing it close to him anyway, so that's something. Where are you going? He's a big coastal. You're huffing a little bit. Won't be able to keep you out long if you're getting hot. He's in my shadow now, so he should be alright, pretty much. Yeah, on my lap. Of course you are. You're easy to find. You can have this kind of relationship with any of your snakes if you spend some time with them. Invest some time handling them so they learn to trust you and they enjoy being close to you and near you. The people kill me that say snakes only tolerate being held. Yeah, right. That's why he's always on my lap. All my snakes are always on my lap or touching me. And I can get up and walk away and they follow me. They won't. No. Has nothing to do with it. And if it's for body heat, I don't think so on a 90-degree day. Why would they need to be touching a person's body for heat? That doesn't even apply. So people with their myths about these guys just blow my mind. Craziness. They don't know much, so they just make up crap. That's what it comes down to. Hey. Hey. You're in a tight wad here in my lap. What are you doing? Go finish yours in the bathroom. Not on my lap, preferably. The camera. You gonna finish using the bathroom or what? You're crushing my leg. There you go. There you are. You came out the other end. Sneaky. Why don't you finish? Here. Finish going potty. There you go with your big ass tail. Hey! Get in the shadow if you're warm. There you go. I'm in the shade. I'm alright now. I won't have him out long because it's heating up really quick out here today. It's bad for your snakes to be out in intense heat because it'll dehydrate their skin and makes them have bad sheds if they go through that a lot. You go, uh-oh, there goes the tail. Atta boy. He's always got to be on me and touching me to excrete waste outdoors. I don't know what the deal is with that, but that's what he has to do. There you go. See, I knew you had to come out. You know, you observe your snakes a lot. You can learn so much about them and how they react to things just by watching them. Their body mechanics, their body language. They tell you everything you need to know about them. That's why I wanted you to come out. I saw you pacing in your enclosure. I knew you had to go. Bubble bath. You're blowing bubbles again. Just blow them over there and not on my jeans, please. Okay. Big poops. He's always got to be on me to use the bathroom. I don't know what the deal is with that. I guess it's a security thing outdoors. Push it out. Not the big one, Chew. Push. Push. You got it. Push it out. I don't like to film my snakes pooping. It's kind of disgusting, but it's a part of the course. That's what they have to do when they eat. Good boy. See, you're gonna feel all better now since you're getting that out of you. It's really nice when you can anticipate their actions and you know what they want just by watching them because you observe them that much. It's really convenient for you to know that much about your snakes. They're all different from each other. They're all individuals. These always got to be on me to go to the bathroom outdoors. Yeah. As you can see, he's across my leg. Push! Push! You're going to end up with a prolapse. You keep pushing that hard like that. Towel. Not on my shoe, please. I'll cut the film here while he's pooping.